All right, let's look at the homework 7.5, 7.6, problem number 5. All right, so it says that the duration of the infection can be modeled by this function right here. And the x corresponds to the dosage of the first drug, and y corresponds to the dosage of the second drug. Then what we want to do is we want to find the xy value to minimize this function, which is the duration of the infection. All right, so let's do that. All right, so we're gonna just try to find the partial derivative with respect to x. So we have a function d, and we want to find the partial derivative with respect to x, which is going to be 2x. Partial of that is 0. Partial of that is negative 16. And partial of that is 0. Partial of that is positive 2y. And the partial of a constant is 0. So we have that. We're going to set that equal to 0. But before that, looks like it's a multiple of everyone is even. So I'm going to pull 2 out. Then you have x. And I'm going to write y first, plus y minus, pulls 2 out, so it's going to be 8. All right, we're going to set that equal to 0. All right, then partial of this duration with respect to y. All right, so let's see, partial of x squared would be 0, since it's a constant, so that would be 12y. And partial of that is 0. Partial of that is negative 46. And a partial of that is positive 2x. And a partial of that is 0. Again, everyone's even, so I'll pull out 2. All right, so you have x here. All right, and plus pull out 2 from 12, so 6y. Minus 23. All right, set that equal to 0. All right, so you can see that we have, I'm going to just set this, let's see, you have x plus y. And I'm going to put negative a on the other side, so it's going to be positive 8. All right, and here you have x plus 6y, right, is equal to, right, I'm going to put 23 on the other side, so it's positive 23, right. I'm going to do a subtraction here, right, so x minus x is 0, and y minus 6y is negative 5y, which is equal to 8 minus, let's see, 23 would be negative 15. Right? So we can simply divide through by negative 5, right? Which would give us y value, which is going to be 3, right? All right, once you know that y is 3, I'm going to use that from here. X is equal to 8 minus y, which is 8 minus 3, gives you 5. All right, so we know that so x is equal to 5, and y equals 3. So that's the critical point, right? Probably that's going to give you the minimum value. So let's type it in. All right, so we have, all right, first drug is 500 milligram, and the second drug would be 300 milligram. All right, so let's check the answer. All right, it came back and looks like we got both of these guys correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.